Using webhooks to receive and send out data on a WordPress site is actually easier than you might think. It's a plugin that's actually free. So let me show you what I'm talking about right now. What's up everyone? Like I said, I'm going to show you a free plugin that you can install right now and start sending out data or receiving data via webhooks. Now, the first thing you're going to do is jump over to your WordPress site and go into plugins, add new, and search for WP Webhooks. The one I'm recommending is this one right here. Remember, it's made by Cosmos Labs, Ironicus. It's this one right here. Install, activate it, and once you activate it, it's going to be available over here under settings, WP Webhooks. Now, before we jump into this, let me show you the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. So if you plan to grab a hosting plan, this is a really great, affordable option with great support. Now, if you jump over to the link in the description, jump over to hosting and check out their shared hosting plans, which is web hosting. Now, they have available these plans, which is the premium, business, and cloud startup. I recommend the most popular one, which is the business plan. And if you add it to cart, there's an extra discount coupon code that I want to show you. And once you're here, you're going to select the amount of months that you want to lock in the price for. I recommend 48 months. You lock in the lowest price, you lock in the renewal price, it's going to be cheaper, and you're good to go for 48 months. So no more payments for 48 months. Now, the price right now is $191.52. But if you add my coupon code, which is Saas Master, and apply it, the price is going to drop to $172.37. So if you plan to grab a hosting plan, use my coupon code. Now, back to the tutorial. So this is the WordPress Webhooks plugin that I have already here. Now you have the option to send data and receive data. If you want to send data, you have several options available in the free plan. So you're going to get a whole lot in this free plan. Now, in this particular website, I already have Affiliate WP plugin installed, and it's going to give me options based on that plugin also. And there's even two options right here that are actually in the free plan. Now, if you want to use the WordPress webhooks, you have these options. So comment created. So that means that every single time that a comment is created, it's going to send out data via webhook. If we can use this in an automation system like Zapier, Make, Pabbly Connect, Automizy, and just a whole bunch of them out there that have a webhook system option. Okay. So that means in this case, if I use comment, it's going to create a webhook every time someone comments. If I send out an email, it's going to send out that automation information. If a post is created, then it'll do it. I'll use post trashed, okay? So to make this work, I'm gonna add a webhook URL and I'll just say test and delete so I can remember to delete it. And it's gonna ask me for the webhook URL. This webhook URL, you're gonna find it in your automation system. In this case, I am using Pabbly Connect. And for this case, I'm gonna use this webhook. So let me go ahead and copy this. Let me go ahead and recapture the webhook. All right, so it's gonna wait for data to be sent out. Let's add my webhook link right here. Let's add to post trash. So that means that when a post is trashed, it's gonna notify me via webhook. And then I can decide how I want to automate that process, okay? So I'm in my Pabbly Connect. It's waiting for that response. Why? Because I haven't deleted any post. So let me go ahead and delete a post right now. Okay, here's my post. I am gonna trash this. There we go, it's just been trashed. Let's go into our webhook and we have received the data. So here we go. This option, this has been trashed. You can see here's the post meta. Here's the data here. The post permalink that was deleted. So this is the link. Let me go ahead and jump to it. Here we go. It's not available anymore because it's been deleted. Okay. It wasn't in any category and you have several options here. Now, what do you want to do with automation? It's up to you. Do you want to get notified via Gmail, Twilio? Do you want to create a post based on that? Whatever you want to do with the automation, it's up to you how you want to use that flow in your automation system. So that's a really easy way to use webhooks here. Like I said, there's several options here. If a comment is created, if a user is deleted, if a user is created, and all these are in the free version of this plugin. Now, if you need more complex webhooks options here, you got plugin activated, plugin deactivated. So these are in the pro version. Most of us don't need that. You're good to go with the free version. So that's for sending out data, okay? But what if you want to receive data? So there's SaaS out there, automation systems that can create posts for you, that can change the SEO data, that can add the alt text to images, and that would be over in receive data, okay? So you would need to give it access via webhook. For this, what you need to do is create a webhook, and I'll just say test, create, and you have a webhook URL here. So this works the other way around. This one is going to receive data into the WordPress side. So this will depend, and it's useful when it's something that you need access to it via webhook into this website. So it's a great way that you get all of this in the free plan of this plugin. So if you want to download it, I'll provide the link in the description. But again, you can go ahead and find it over here in plugins, add new plugin, and just search for WP Webhook and you're good to go. So it's more than enough for anyone who needs webhooks in the free version. And again, if you want to grab a hosting plan, don't forget to use my coupon code SAASMaster. And that's a wrap for this video.